Hello everyone, today we're diving into how to turn your vector illustrations into pixel art using Adobe Illustrator. First, have your vector illustration ready. Got it? Great! Now head over to the Effects menu at the top and from there choose Rasterize. A dialog box will pop up, and here's where the magic happens. Keep the color model set to RGB. That's perfect for this. But under Resolution, select Other. Now change the value to something super low, like 5. This is what creates that chunky pixelated look. Once that's done, hit OK. And there you go, instant pixel art, how cool is that? But what if you want to tweak those pixel sizes? No problem, just go over to the Appearance panel, find the Rasterize Effect and click it. This brings up the Edit panel, where you can adjust the PPI value to your heart's content. A higher number means smaller pixels, a lower number makes them larger. Play around with it until it's just right for your project. And that's it, quick, easy, and it looks great. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more design tips, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, have a great day, a great life, and I'll see you in the next one.